We chose to work with Oliver on our projects mainly because of past experience with them and knowledge of our buildings that we were renovating, those sorts of things, but also because of they've got impeccable service, and we've never been disappointed with any project we've worked on with them.
So Oliver's really completed a series of projects for us. We were repurposing, in many cases, more industrial or warehouse or production space to make it people space. And we were taking buildings that were designed and built in the 1980s and trying to bring them up to a current spec.
Mark sometimes refers to it as they know where all the bodies are buried, but it's really true in this aspect where they know the bones of the building, they know the structure of the building, they know why we put support pillars where they are, and things that we have available to us up to code versus way we built them with different plumbing or electrical or any infrastructure that might affect how we build things in the future.
One of the things that I do with our team is sit down with an owner and talk about 5-10-year plans. What's the best path for constructability while they're able to maintain their existing operations and maintain deliveries without losing schedule or adding cost to the project.
We like to think of ourselves as the best on the street because of the way we take care of things and how we work with our clients.
You know, while I think it's become more of a thing, 40 years ago there were architects and there were builders, and I think the design-build process is a great process because it helps to streamline. These guys that are designing alongside these guys that are building don't design stuff that can't be built.
As we are designing the project, we are also the constructors. So when an owner can come to us and say, this is the project that we're looking for, and these are the deliverables, we can say, you've got X, Y, and Z items that might have a year lead time. Let's release those early so that we can maintain your final project schedule. And we understand the pricing aspects of the building so that we can maintain the project budget from early stage all the way through the project. And then we have those conversations with an owner. If you want to upgrade that finish, this is your cost implication. We can have that direct communication throughout the idea stage of the project so they understand where the cost implications are throughout the entire design phase.
So now I got all my ideas here, and now I'm bouncing it off the estimator, project managers, full force. We're also meeting our HVAC contractors, our plumbing, and so all that gets into play early in the design. You don't get much of that in straight architectural firms, but you get it through design build.
We are constantly striving to introduce new technology into how we deliver projects. One latest addition to our repertoire is that we can now laser scan buildings, and so we can take measurements before we get too involved in the process.
One of the things that has been the most valuable working with Oliver is their proactive approach to escalating when things are either in danger of not being on time or truly not on time, and then quickly pivoting to any alternative options that might be of value to us.
That ongoing communication and transparency was invaluable.
I think it's important to give back to your community the way it's given to us.
These guys are community-minded. They do the right things because it's the right thing to do and not because they're trying to get business. They provide a quality product. They stand behind their work.
That's our legacy project for me. Every time I go by, it's, hey, I worked on that, and I think Oliver really is proud of that building as well.
You know what you're getting with these guys, and you're getting a quality, superior product. You're getting great people who care about their community, and that's something the Y wants to be aligned with.